Mhm. One, two, three. 1 second. Mhm. And I'm ready to start. Hello, hello, hello everybody. Hello internet. My name is Alex. I'm making a game, Elemental Novice. You can check it on Steam. Link somewhere. Depends where you're watching this. Right now, the gameplay isn't fun as I want it to be. So I decided to start marathon where I add one new spell every single day to make the game better. And today is day 8 and I'm creating a new spell, Ice Crust. This one is really interesting. When player get frozen, instead of being useless, helpless, he gets some armor and he can block physical damage by this. So yeah, let's get started. And again, you can check the game on Steam. So wait, I think I missed something. No, I said about this day marathon and etc. Okay. Engine opens. Magic system. Passive spells. Ice spells. New folder. Crust. What's this? Base. Passive spell. Ice. Am I using this somewhere? Ice passive spell blueprint. Like, okay, this I'm using somewhere. Base passive ice spell. Okay. To be honest, I already have such spell. Actually not a spell, but a talent. I will show you how it works. I need some talents. Blueprint, my player state. No, debug actor. Debug. And I need to do this. I need to learn. I need to do this. Hello! Refining Voldemort will this spell. Hello, Nicola. Yep. You missed introduction, so I say that today I'm going to remake some ice spell. So again in the game I have some consequences after casting. For example, like this. This ice spheres around the player. And I have a talent. This talent. When I concentrate with this talent, I cover player with some armor. With some armor. Let's one more time. So right now player has some tilts around and I have this armor bar. Yeah, I'm not getting damage because right now I'm invincible because of the bugging. So I'm gonna change this talent. I'm gonna Where do I get this talent? Where am I applying it? Yeah, thank you for being back. Did you try the game? Ice spells. So I'm doing it during the concentration. Crust. Play Crust. Graceful. Spawn react on explosion. No. Play Crust. Oh, ice and fire. Oh, this. For consequences. Alright. Is one. Uh, Magic system, ice spell, ice skin. Ice skin. Oh yeah, I'm implementing it somewhere here. Yeah. This stuff. If it's true. Add armor. If talent chosen. Yeah. Mm-hmm. What's this? Oh, it's applying only for player. Weird. A little bit. But okay. So I need to copy this. To mm-hmm. Um, Magic system, passive spells, ice spells, crust, new blueprint. Engine respond. Respond, engine, please. Blueprint. Base passive spell. I think this is it different or is it the same? Ice crust blueprint. Passive. Let me see. I'd like to compare it. For example, with this base passive spell. Base passive spell. Yeah, that's totally fine. Then I'm gonna use this. And I'm gonna take this. Something isn't exist, let's say. That is totally fine. Uh, Skin components. Okay. Format variable. Fields. Nice. Um, I think I can close this. What is duration? Add armor if down chosen. Also, I'm back. Actually, couldn't just. Oh, Steam, yes. Yeah, I remember I tried. I think you left again. Okay, you're gonna be my texting friend. Um, I have tried Ubuntu once and reinstalled. Are you here? Yeah, you are here. I see you texting. No, don't have kids. You look like you'd be a father. Maybe, yeah. If you you watching me? Oh, wait. Uh, I attached chat. Let's do it here. Uh, thank you. But not kids for now. I am not going to die, let's say, very soon. I expect that I gonna be fresh and handsome at least for next 10 years. And when my prime air gonna go down, maybe at this time I maybe gonna do kids, but not for now. Let's say my life is kind of very comfortable right now, and I'm without having kids, I may do, for example, a game. I can dedicate a lot of time for this. Also, I'm doing the gym and etc. etc. So it's great. Yeah, it's not necessary to be single. You can date somebody, but to having a kids require a lot of time. Yeah. So maybe a little bit later. So what am I doing here? Yes. So let's else Crust. Well, copy this. Well, I don't have to worry about this. Yeah, you don't have to worry about this. I think nobody should worry about this too much. Like, even if you won't have a kid, it's totally okay. There were a bunch of people in the world who didn't have kids, and it was okay. But teenage girls are so weird. I think relationships should be also about helping each other to get better in life and sustain me. Hmm. You are young, you should date physics handbook or something like this. But yeah, uh, don't do maybe just serious relationship. It will be easier, I think. Um, mm, you are distracting me slightly, but it's okay. Don't worry. Don't try to text the stuff. I'm just in the process of thinking. So this is gonna add talent depends of this. Aha. Uh, uh, I'm gonna rename this. Change talent. Oh, add armor. Add armor. And at the beginning, depends of how much element was used. I'm gonna do this. And are you? Yes, I am on Windows. I used Ubuntu when I bought my laptop, and it was kind of fresh laptop. And I remember I had some problems with drivers. There wasn't available drivers for those version of my laptop for maybe 3 days. Then they appeared, but maybe they were bad. I remember I had some problems with Wi-Fi. I used to be a physics tutor this time, and I could have conference and internet disappeared for, let's say, minutes. It wasn't huge problem, but when you're in a process, it's irritating a lot. So I switched back. Manual destroy. And I do the same function, but -1. Multiply, -1. Debian is better than Ubuntu. Maybe. I don't know. If we could definitely say this, then Ubuntu wouldn't exist. And there would be only Debian. But because and Debian and Ubuntu, it means people choose both version. It's like the Apple and Samsung. And for some reason somebody buy Samsung, for some reason somebody buy Apple. So spawn armor, destroy armor. When I'm gonna destroy it, do I have protocol for this? Is this any delay? Tap armor bar. Okay. For how long? Okay, let's add this spell to my current spells. Ice Crust. Passive Ice Crust. Yeah. And let's see if I'm gonna be frozen, if I'm gonna get anything. I'm not sure that this is proper spell. Probably it is. Like this, like this. Like this. And if I concentrate, the stuff which I'd like to happen is not happening. Okay, let's see. Magic system. Ice spell. Not ice spell. No. Skin. Ice shard. Ice spike, ice skin. I'd like to have this and add it here. So, by the way, it's gonna be end of the year soon, and as you told, you're 17, so you should graduate school soon. Are you gonna... So you're gonna have some exams, right? So this spell is here. Okay. Ice in... No. This... F9. F9. I'm gonna cast the spell. I go here, yeah, that's cool, that's fine. Ah, I'm checking the talent. So now it's not a talent. I do it by used elements. Like this. Let's promote it to variable. Armor multiplier. And let's do it, let's say 5. And I don't need to check this condition anymore. I don't need to do this. And now when I concentrate, add armor. Yeah, I got armor. Now to see if it works. Now to see if it works. I have to remove invisibility. And it's not disappearing by itself. So after I spawn the armor, my player state, no. Yeah. Delay manual destroy. And this is gonna be the delay. Oh, maybe player, even not player. Characteristics. Else rows. I need to see how it made. Down sticks and events on freeze reset. Reset. Assign on reset. Yeah, so when player gonna be unfrozen, I gonna destroy this stuff. To the collider. I don't need this anymore. What? Why? Probably because it happened instantly. So delay with 1 second. It also can be wrong because mm, mm, yes. I always thought that I will find some, let's say, very good job. Also a little bit complicated. First of all, I liked physics. When I was at school, I already told you that I liked subjects which had logic, and I could do the stuff. But the programming, I don't know, it wasn't so popular at my time. So I kind of wanted to do something. I am, let's say, if you're talking about activity, I'm kind of ambidexter. I have dreams where I'm making movies, where I'm writing books. So maybe I just like to make some stories. And yeah, uh, when I got, let's say, 30, it wasn't like I decide make decision on my birthday. No, I decided that now it's possible to make a game, so why not to try it? And the benefit, not the benefit, because it's hard, not so much people trying to do that. I mean, right now, yeah, there is a lot of people doing it. Yes, maybe. I don't know. If so, if you know some profitable thing, you should do it. That I think how it works. But yeah, if I would know that programming is so profitable, I would start it to do it directly. But I graduated oil and natural gas university, which wasn't related with programming at all. Yeah, that's fun. But maybe it's fun because I'm indie dude which doing the stuff which he likes. If you maybe have to work in big company, maybe you wouldn't like it so much. So I don't like this moment. Delay. This moment may cause some problems in future, but it's okay. Um, like this. Damage. Why did it? Okay, I'm not gonna destroy it by itself now. My player state. So it appears for 0.2 seconds. I just wanna check if um what am I doing? What am I doing, step browser? I wanna check if the armor works as it should. I have armor right now. Yes, I'm getting the damage and bar goes down. But now I have to destroy those shields after I got unfrozen. How am I doing it in originals? Uh-huh. Okay. Ice skin base. What's this? Some old code. I don't know if I'm using it anymore. Huh? So those frozening stuff is the actor. My player state parent spells get existed spells, find item, and I should get, wait, it's wrong actor, and I should get get existed spell, ice skin blueprint. Yes. Attach. Plus, maybe it look complicated because because I'm doing this and it's always seems to be more complicated when you watch after somebody. Like this. And it should be valid. Valid. So when the ice disappear, this actor also should be destroyed. Let's see. It is valid. Unknown. First of all, I need to add the spell into existed spell. In base, my player, state parent, existence spells, add unique self, like this, and manual destroy. No, manual destroy event. Go to parent and remove item self, like this. Would you ever think of making a FPS game? What is FPS game? Horror game? So I'd like to do a lot of games. This game I'm doing since I played Divinity Original Sin 2. Have you played games from Larian Studio? Do you know Larian Studio? I go here. Class unknown. Have you heard about Baldur's Gate? Of course, they have Baldur's Gate. You had to hear about this. It was Game of the Year, maybe 2024. Yeah. So before the Baldur's Gate, they made Divinity Original, which is similar, also turn-based RPG, and I love it. It was a cool story. It was cool system, cool spells, and etc. Also, I love spells. I would like to be a mage. Yeah, but I'm not, so, and nobody is mage. So yeah, That's why I after playing those Divinity Originals in 2, I decided to make this game, and it's cool. Let's do this. And do this. And begin play. Base in. So yeah, to answer on your question, I would like to make some horror game. I would like to make some. I would like to make so much stuff, but I don't have time for this. Nobody have time for implementing their dreams. Why? Ice in Ice in base. Something is wrong. I think I like old Baldur's Gate. Oh, I haven't played the old Baldur's Gate. To be honest, I not like Baldur's Gate too much. I even didn't finish it. But Divinity Original Sin 2, both cool. And they announced that they're gonna they're gonna make new Divinity Original Sin. And it's amazing. Okay, I'm just not calling this part anywhere. Not this. This. Why? Why am I not calling this? Where should I put it? No, wait. What's happening with me when I concentrate now? I slightly confused. This. So I'm definitely spawning the actor to freeze the character. Frozen. Ice skin. This. And it has this parent, but this part isn't calling. Why? Okay, it's no problem. I'm gonna add it directly and then I will investigate it. Add armor if talent chosen. Okay. Use to appear and again. Unknown. Class is unknown. Am I definitely calling the same spell what I'm spawning? Yes, I'm calling the same spell. I even added delay here. Get existed spells. Should work. So I have a problems right now with destroying this shield. What's unknown? How come? How come? Unknown. Not nice. I wanted to finish. I knew it should be easy to implement this stuff, but there is always something preventing me from finish fast. Why is it event begin play? Maybe I should add it into construct. Ice skin. Prince string hello. I don't see the printing. This part is not calling. What am I spawning then? Oh, I think I figured it out. So I think I'm spawning this spell. When do I second. So I spawn spell not instantly. I have some animation. The curry. I have some animation. This. And I'm spawning here. Well, at this moment. And I think I'm trying to spawn the ice shield before notification of animation I get. So ice skin didn't apply yet, but this stuff is already found. Then go on finished cast. Okay. Then passive. Yes. Hero. finished. Assign and finish casting. Begin play. Do this. So when I finish to cast, I'm attaching this stuff. No, I gonna do all this thing. Yeah. I'm not sure if this thing happened. First of all, okay, ice skin, ice. Yeah, I'm not adding anything. In base, yeah, do this. In base. This start should be called now. Let's try to do it. I'm not calling it again. There, bro. Skin base. Okay, let's do it on construction. Self. Self. And I'd like to do F9 and print string. Quick for a while. Let's see if I calling this part of the code. I'm not calling this part of the code. I skin blueprint, skin base. I think I have similar actors, at least with a similar naming, and it's confusing me. Doesn't work. Doesn't work as I expected. On freeze, I do this, and spawning ice skin blueprint. Yes. For the duration. This blueprint. I'm spawning it. Nine. And nothing happened. Right now I know why nothing happened. Okay, yeah, now I'm adding it. Enough to do it only in one place. In base, yeah. One more time. Concentrate. Yeah, I have this Q. And now I'd like to see bind on finished casting. Maybe this. I want to see the difference. Also audio apply back in the game. It may confuse me a little bit. Hmm. So the frozening may be different now. Uh, so I do this. And at the end. Uh-huh. Um, ice skin. Yeah, it was much easier implemented when it was just a talent. Mm. Mm. So I need some technology to destroy it. The widget. Uh, It's gonna be very stupid. Delay and try again. And if valid, then attach to this armor. Okay, but this thing isn't destroyed. Hmm. So it's not gonna help. My skin blueprint. Begin play. Add armor at the beginning. And now. Character characteristic. Reset. Let's do this. Manual destroy. Um, mhm. So it already has it. And mhm. Okay, I am frozen. And I'm frozen and the thing has disappeared. Yes, finally, it works. Not absolutely sure why it didn't work before. So what am I doing right now in this? Well, at the beginning, I'm adding some armor and I'm checking when the player gonna be unfrozen. This is reset ice and fire effects, mean I'm waiting till we're gonna be unfrozen or stop to burning. And then I'm taking armor off and destroys this actor. Okay, finally. Uh, Technically, I finished today the main part because spell is working right now. I will have to do some additional things, for example, uh, debug. Debug. For example, previously I had a talent, uh, talent, uh, Ice Crust. But since I implemented this spell, I'm not gonna use this talent. I'm gonna remove it and move it to a spell. What? And instead of this talent, I will make some new one. Like when player get frozen, there are some spikes gonna out from him to damage enemies who gonna hit player. So I think for today that is all. It was 1 hour. Thank you, Nicola, Las, Kreutz, for visiting me today. Also, other people can come to the stream, ask advices. I wouldn't say that I am coach or a good advisor, but why not? Why not? Uh, Thank you everybody. Subscribe, try game, and etc. There is free demo. And see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I gonna be at which time? Let me think. It's Friday. It's Friday. So I gonna be at 13:30 East. I will type it here. Tomorrow 13:30 East. I will try. Plus minus half hour. Like this. And it was the first spell related with ice. since tomorrow I'm gonna start the air and yeah, I will start to do air spells. Thank you everybody. Goodbye. See you. Have a nice day. Did they stop?